Hey, it's Matt with Restoration Lawn Care. Wanted to go over what you can expect in round one of our fertilization and weed control program. So we're going to begin this coming week, and with this round, what we're going to be putting out, if it's warm season grass, we're going to be putting out your first round of pre-emergent. This will help with any of the late winter, early spring weeds that will start to show up in March, April timeframe. We'll be putting that out, and we'll also be making sure that we're treating any weeds that we see in the lawn. So right now we're seeing a little bit of henbit, poa annua, chickweed, and a few others popping through some of the pre-emergents that were put down in the fall. And so we want to make sure we clean that up so your lawn looks its best going into the late winter, early spring. With the cool season grasses, so if you have a fescue lawn, we'll be putting out a combination product of fertilizer and pre-emergent. So this will help push the fescue going into the spring, so it'll be ready to take off as soon as we get a little bit warmer temperatures. And then we'll also be putting out the pre-emergent to help prevent the same weeds that we're doing in our warm season. So the fescue, you'll see us pushing out a granular product, and the warm season, we'll be using the sprayer this time, so you'll see us spraying in your lawn. For the spraying side, we ask that you keep your pets and any children off of the lawn for at least 4 hours after we apply it. You'll be getting the email to let you know as soon as we're done with the application. With the granular product, it's not as big of a deal. However, we will make sure that we blow off any product that might get on the driveways or the sidewalks, so we'll make sure that stays clean. For both of these, both the cool season and the warm season, it needs to be watered in. Now, for best results, you want to wait till it dries and then water it in within a day. However, you have up to 14 days for it to water in. We're expecting rain on and off over the next couple weeks, so you shouldn't have a problem. If for some reason we end up really dry with no rain, then we would want to put sprinklers out, turn your irrigation back on, water it in. The reason why is the watering helps the pre-emergent create a barrier on the soil. It moves the product down onto the soil, and that's what prevents the weeds from them germinating and popping up through the soil. So it's really important to get watered in and activating that pre-emergent. Again, the rainfall should be enough. You shouldn't have to worry about it. So if you have any questions about this application, give us a call, 706-395-5069, or you can go online, contact us through the website, send us an email. We really are excited about this year. We're excited to get it going. We're excited about, we've had several new clients over the past couple weeks, and we can't wait to get your yards turned around and looking their best. We look forward to it, and we appreciate your business.